So this is the Fantic cordless slim vacuum. This is an amazing vacuum that's good for detailing cars. It's good all around the house, whether it's vacuuming upholstery, getting in cracks on a coffee table. I've just found so many great uses for this vacuum. Thanks to the brand for gifting this one to me so I could take a closer look. First, let's just talk about the design. It's super slim, it's really lightweight, just over a pound, so it's super easy to hold, and I think it's just really easy to maneuver as I've been trying to get into different cracks and crevices to vacuum. I love it because of the size. It's easy to fit into my car, but I can also throw it into a work or a duffel bag or toss it into a drawer. So it does have a 120-watt brushless motor. It's really nice because there are two different levels of sections. One is called Eco Mode, the other one is called Max Mode. But it's really nice because it's got the power that lets you brush everything from pet hair to crumbs to small debris, just super easy. So it does come with a charging cord, and it has the USB-C port right here. With a full charge, you can get about 30 minutes if you're using the Eco Mode, which is the lower power mode, or you can get about 15 minutes if you're using the Max Mode. So it's really great if you're detailing a car, doing some kind of quick upholstery vacuum, plenty of time to get the job done. So it's more than just a vacuum, it's a 4-in-1 device. It can vacuum, it can inflate, it can deflate, and it can also blow. So it comes with these different attachments. These are really great on the blowing side. So you put these into the opposite side of where you vacuum, and this is great for inflating. Like this summer, I'll use this to help blow up all of our floaties for the pool. And this one with a bigger opening would be great if I wanted to blow, like maybe there were leaves or particles on my windshield. I can easily turn it on and use it as a small blower. And this one just comes with so many different attachments. I've got all kinds of brushes, whether I'm trying to get at pet hair, whether I'm cleaning upholstery on my couch, whether I'm in my car and I'm trying to get into those really deep side pockets or along the side under my steering wheel. It really just has an attachment that helps me get it all done. There's also little pieces and brushes that are really great too. And it's easy to change out the filter, and it's really cool because the set comes with one extra filter. When you turn it on, it'll automatically be on the Eco Mode, but if I push this upper button, it'll turn it to the Max Mode. And I thought I would just show you how easily this just picks up all these cracker crumbs. This is so similar to the kinds of things that I often find on my car floor, and I just wanted to show you just how easy this thing suctions up the crumbs and other debris. And to empty it, you just pull down the latch, you push the button, it pops open, and then it's easy to pour whatever you vacuumed up into the trash. And I do love how it comes with this bag to hold the vacuum and all of the accessories. So if you're looking for a compact and powerful vacuum for detailing your car or for inside your house, this slim, modern looking, powerful vacuum is a really great option to check out.